Here we have a 69 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels. We also have the bronze brake calipers behind. We have the white exterior paintwork, LED headlights, Pan America front grille and the black Mercedes badge in the centre, and there's a look at that front end. Now taking a look at the roof, you'll find the glass sunroof. It's currently on a tilt, we can also slide all the way open. We do have the brush metal trim around the windows, privacy glass at the rear, colour coded door handles and door mirrors, and the side steps along the bottom. Now we also have 360-degree cameras with front and rear parking sensors and a visual display inside. We have the rear diffuser at the back along with a power operated tailgate, which can open just by pressing the badge in like so. Also opens by pressing a button on the remote. You can see we have plenty of space inside of the boot. We do have the parcel shelf at the top, hooks either side, and also a storage net on the left hand side. We have a handle on the right along with a button. Press the button and the boot will close again like so. Coming back round to the driver's side, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look now at the interior, so coming into the back first, you'll find the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well. We have the AMG floor mats. We also have the wooden effect trim on the doors with the premium BENZ sound system and electric windows. Now again at the front we have the same leather seats. There's a look at the roof from the inside. Both the front seats are heated and also electrically adjustable. The memory function controlled there on the doors. Again, BENZ sound system. We do also have the electric mirrors, electric windows with the automatic lights and a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Let's turn the volume down. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, cruise control and speedometer on the right, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than fully fuel, so nothing to worry about. We also have the main screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. It's also packed full of features you would have seen all on the photos. If we go through them quickly, we do have the buttons down here along with the touchpad, so if we go onto the main menu, then you can see we can go through all the different features just here. We've got the radio stations, the phone connectivity, media options. We also have the ambient lighting just here, and as you can see we have many colours which you can choose from. It's also inside of the vents. Looks really nice, especially at night time. Scroll across again there, we do also have the apps just here, which is where you find the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Now if any screens or lights are flickering, it is just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. Dual zone climate control, as called air conditioning. Again, the wooden effect trim continues here in the centre. We have the different drive modes just here, which we can quickly flick through with ease. Putting the car back into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the 360 view. Put it into drive, it changes to the front facing camera, and we can flick through each individual camera. You can see they all work just as they should do. Putting the car back into park though, and that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.